So this is our project, our robot vacuum cleaner. This is our robot works. So here is the vacuum. There we got the motor driver and all the servo motor sensor. So it will turn on the robot. If we turn it on, the sensor will detect the obstacle, then it will stop. If you don't have an obstacle, it will start moving again. So this is our prototype. We vacuum the rubbish. So this is how our robot vacuum cleaner prototype will work. When it detects the obstacle, it will stop, then it will start moving again.